Hello everybody. I recently put out a very short video showing a jump break shot. Two more tries.
Look at that. And you made one.
And I wanted to show you that it's not that hard to do jump shots, and pretty much anybody can do it. You need the right equipment. You need to understand how to use it. So I'm going to show you real quick from 3 or 4 different angles. I'm going to take shots from all over the table at the pockets. I'm not attempting to pocket balls at this point in my skill building. I'm just trying to get aim good enough that I can put a ball into a pocket with a jump shot. And that will definitely be good enough to hit a ball out of safety, and I might even make a ball once in a while. Alright, so we're going to start with a shot from my left. So you can see it executed, you can see the angle of the cue, and you can see better than I can where I'm hitting the ball. So this is where I'm aiming to strike that ball. You can hit it here, which is, I think, more center ball. I hit it a little bit low. You don't want to hit it to the left or the right, though. You want to hit it very, very centered and make your jump shot. In this case, I'm not even trying to make it in a pocket. I'm just shooting the ball. And it'll go up in the air. This one, I'm going to try and hit the 14. You get a different angle with this shot. A little bit wide here. I missed. But, get leave the 1. Okay, one more time. There it is. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the full right side view. I'm going to try and get over the 5 ball and into that corner pocket. I don't want to hit the 14 by accident. And you'll see the angle and the position that I hit it at and how much air it gets. So also notice that mostly I'm using my wrist, because this is all about speed of the cue, which is also why I'm using a super light, only the front half of a cue. This is not your normal cue, not like a shooting cue. This is an old breaker, so it's got a really hard tip on it, which is nice, and it's quite light. All right, corner pocket. 10 ball in the corner pocket. Let's see if we can do this. Well, no, not at all. Try again. Okay. No problem getting in the air, but with the air bridge, it's hard to definitely focus your. All right. So you may not have noticed, I'm going to do this from over here so you can see it from behind. So if you strike center ball, you're fine. If you strike a little to the left or the right, even a hair, it's going to do what that shot did. That shot was headed straight for the pocket, but when it landed, it had a little bit of spin on it. And it doesn't take much to make masse when you're hitting it like this. Now I'll show you the braced one, where they shoot it braced, and I've seen, the trick shot players do this, and it works. It works pretty well. It's just for me, it's really hard to brace and also get my cue high enough. I mean, it's fine if it's up here. I can do it right off the edge. Oh, I'm great, but that leaves 90% of the table unshootable. You can't shoot a trick shot or a jump shot out there if you require the edge of the table for your bridge. So watch some of them do it, and they're up here pretty high. They are braced, pressing down, and they can do it mid-table. A little bit of aim. That works pretty well. So you're not able to do this bridge and get the cue high enough over the ball to be able to do that. I don't think. I mean, maybe somebody can. I'll try it. Maybe I need longer fingers. Okay, I can't even see the end of the cue. You know that's bad. That's not how you do it. It was not a whole lot of jump on that. Okay, so I think I have to try this without the wrap for braced, if I'm going to do a braced shot. It's nice because I can kind of get my eye over it a little better. And I hit the left side of it again and curves to the left. I'll try one more time, a nice straight one. See if I can make it that pocket down there in the air. In the air, it's so hard to stay straight. I believe it would have gone. Oh, it went. Look at that. I'm a genius. So you can see my angle. You see where I hit the ball. And you too can do this. Now I'm going to try it the other direction. We're going to keep that same perpendicular angle. And I guess I'm doing it left-handed. Yeah, a little bit of a jump. All right. So when you're shooting a jump shot, it's all in the wrist. Right? If you take it like this and try and jam it down, you're not going to be able to accelerate the cue fast enough to actually make the ball jump. The trick to this is not power. The trick is speed. You don't need 100% power. You just need speed. So watch the backhand because that's the one that does the work. All right? And we'll try and just jump it into that little corner pocket there. Just like that. My arm hardly moves at all. In fact, it's best if my arm doesn't move because I'm really trying to aim. I don't want my arm doing all kinds of muscly things. I want my arm nice and stable. Just use my wrist for the job. Okay, and then again. All right. When I'm holding the cue, it really looks to me like it's lower, like the angle's maybe 40 degrees. But when I look at this video, it looks like it's more like 60 or 70 degrees to actually make the ball jump. I have done low jump shots. The ball goes a lot further in the air, but it doesn't go as high. So if you need to get over a ball that's near you, you definitely want to use a higher angle. And if you're getting just trying to get range, then you want to use a lower angle. Low angle. Yeah, no problem. So I got over them, and you can do it either way. You can do it lower or higher, but the closer this ball is to your ball that you're trying to jump, let's use the cue ball for once. Be traditionalist. The closer that ball is to the ball you're trying to jump over, the more elevation you need. Because it definitely does not go very high when you do that low elevation. So, I gotta get higher. I don't even know if I can. I think I could probably do it from here, maybe 2 or 3 inches away. Definitely can't do it from there. I'm gonna hit the ball on the way out. I can probably do it from here. Let's find out. Yep, no problem. Okay, so that's it for jump shots. I've shown you 2 ways to do them. I've also shown you various angles so that hopefully you get an idea of where you're hitting the cue ball. I am not a trick shot expert or even a professional pool player. I'm just a guy who loves the sport. I love game rooms and I love playing pool. So visit channelsplace.com, like and subscribe. And I look forward to making more videos, and I hope that you're enjoying watching them. And signing off, I'm Channel, and this is Channel's Place. Bye.